Hi there, 8th Hour Homeroom. I'm Mrs. Moore, and we are beginning this virtual journey together this year. Now, is this year starting off kind of crazy? Yes. Are we going to have to do a little bit of troubleshooting and figuring stuff out and help with Google Classroom and all the tech? Yes. Am I worried about any of this? Absolutely not. I am excited to welcome you to my little corner of the world here in room 125, our virtual homeroom classroom. Most of the time that we meet, we're going to spend time checking in, helping you out with things like Edgenuity for those who are taking those courses, or just your other Google Classrooms and courses and things that are going on in your life and with school. It's a pretty laid-back class. I think it's going to be fun, and I'm excited to see all of you. So let's do it! I will see you all on Wednesday, September 2nd at 2 p.m. Join our Zoom meeting in the Google Classroom. I already sent the code, so check your email. And I will see you then. Bye-bye.